Yeah? I mean, ready today?
That is so soft, it's probably bad inside.
Well, I finally picked up my car, and what I like about it, about going to that place there, is they vacuum clean it and clean it out. Good afternoon, YouTube. We are at Publix on Griffin Road, and hopefully BB followed me here. Food and pharmacy. Let's see if I can find her now. There's little BB right there. So yeah, they fixed the shock. They fixed the chair. Motor, it needed a motor. This place is packed. It's packed. But they fixed the 2 warranty things for me. That lady does not know what she's doing. She already ran the sidewalk and everything. Hope everyone's having a good day today. We have to go pick up a couple of things. And they got the Crave expensive hot dogs over there. A lot of helicopters been flying over Lakeland. Alrighty. Even got some sushi. Hopefully the carts are inside and not outside. Alright. Yep, it's your Publix. This is set up like the old one. Hi, thank you. Okay. This is what it looks like. They got the pharmacy all the way up in the front. Buy one, get one free Hormel pepperoni. Want to get a pepperoni? Buy one, get one free.
They're trying to weed it out.
Oh, wow. They even got buy one, get one free snacks. Alrighty, BB. They got a ham up there, too. That's a big ham over there for sale.
We don't have room in the freezer.
I know, but still.
That's a good price, too.
$10.55 for that.
Easter.
Oh yeah, that's right. Got Easter coming. Got Easter coming, guys. Are you guys ready for Easter? Alrighty. Snyder pretzel dips. Cakes. Lights are real bright in this store here. Very bright. Stone ground cornmeal.
For what?
Probably get 2 of those.
You want this one or the...
Yeah, the Old Bay's good. That's the biggest they got.
So that means
Cocktail
I'll have to do the
sauce.
same thing.
All right. Oh, you got minced garlic too, Goya. All right, let's go by the meats that way. Let's see if the bakery's that way, I think.
Bakery's that way.
Okay, well, let's see over there by the meats. This is set up different, way different from the other one. Getting bread, butter, buns, seafood. It's all to the left. And BB's on the phone for work. Chips Ahoy Bites, Oreo, Zingers, Twinkies, Wonders, Moon Pie. They have those at the end caps. Sushi. But this was definitely set up way different. Ooh, $20.99 for cold shrimp.
Alright.
Bake ready potato skins. There is a restaurant here in Tampa that does potatoes. All they do is sell loaded potatoes. Meatballs. Mashed potatoes. We've done those there. Little meals for single people. Oh wow. $94 for a bone-in rib roast. Son of a gun. That is crazy. That's why we go to Felton's and that to get our meats, because it's a heck of a lot cheaper than to do it this way. Even through Walmart, it's a heck of a lot cheaper. And we don't have room in the freezer. We are packed to the gills. Got a little wine section here. You notice a lot of the Publixes, they are set up. The older ones are set up definitely different ones from the newer ones. I don't know what year this one came in, but this is the one on Griffin Road. It stays very packed. This is one of their busiest Publix, but it doesn't have the same thing as our Publix does, like the HP sauce. They don't sell the HP sauce this way at this Publix. We've already been through here. And they do say our Publix is big, but I don't see it. But sometimes it can be deceiving. Getting ready to blow out the Easter Chicky chocolate caramel apples. Always look here because you never know. Publix has their personal collectibles, and usually when the season's over with, they have them for real cheap. They even have the bunny cakes for $12.99 ready. The cookies. A lot of these ends here, you'll find stuff cheap that they're trying to get rid of. These normally stay on sale all the time.
Okay. But it's all online, because he's going to do a Zoom.
They even got the Carvel. I haven't had one of those in a long time. Carvel cake. I love the cookie crisp in the middle of it. That's a buttercream. That's just buttercream right there for $7 off. That's what they use on their cakes, which is real good. That's why Publix has the best cakes. Oh wow, they really are putting out there. Let me see here. Yes, I know I'm addicted,
Yeah.
but I struggle like you guys. And they got all the cakes.
And went and had that one frozen.
It's all about moderation. Man, that looks pretty good too. That's a cheesecake. But they're making them smaller now. Not like they used to be. Oh, we got it there. Thank you. Alrighty. It is busy. Let's see what they got by the cooking station there. Mardi Gras baked chicken. Best chicken is this here, not at their bar. Got ribs, shrimp, necks, fish, buffalo chicken. It is busy here. And they do have good tea. I'll give it that much. Got stuff for strawberry shortcake.
If we're lucky, that's right. Just keep plugging along.
Navel oranges are in season. Those are some crazy looking oranges. I've never had one, but I don't like oranges with seeds in them. I don't know about you. I like seedless oranges.
Okay.
Alrighty. You contain guacamole too for. Oh, you gotta make the guac too.
Yeah, I'm hoping those avocados are still there.
Do they got any avocados here on sale maybe? Wow, you think those are ready?
These are ready.
Yeah? I mean, ready today?
That is so soft, it's probably bad inside.
Oh, okay.
That one's perfect for today.
This is soft right here.
I don't
Someone
want to see.
squeezed it.
That's good.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, these are starting to get ready to go bad. Even that one is soft. Soft and hard all at the same time.
Yeah, sometimes people over squeeze it. You can tell when it's been on there too long, you get the vein.
Yep.
That's how you can tell an avocado's been on a tree.
A little too
Way
long.
long. Yep, see the vein? Because it's starting to grow.
This is, see,
That's, yeah. Someone that over squeezed
well,
it.
that they put other avocados on and it's dipped
Yeah.
into it.
Well, this would be good for today to have a nice little fish dinner. Shrimp with avocado. 99 cents for the hosses a piece. Alrighty. I think that's it, BB. I think we are good to go. We got the seasoning for everything. How many people used to eat applesauce? I never was a fan of applesauce. Was not my thing. All right, let's boogity boogity. Boogity, a lot of sauce sales.
All alone with basil and garlic.
Organic. Oops, you're good. Alrighty. Yeah, they're getting ready to get rid of all these sweets. Yeah, I'm addicted to that Whataburger ketchup. I don't care about the Heinz ketchup no more. Alrighty. Hey, where you going? She told you to put it back. And there I am, Super Mario. She said, put that back. And next year, the Reese's sticks and the fast breaks, they're not going to be fake no more. Or, yeah, 2027, every Reese's will be made from the original chocolate and peanut. Maybe. A real small front here, but thank you for shopping with us. And that's the founder of Publix. And they got the scale hidden. And this is the return area. Alright, baby. Let's go home and make a nice dinner. Got the car back on this beautiful day. Better not hit my car. See you guys. Sure, yep. Nice and new and lubed. And they replaced everything. Good job, Hyundai. Good job. Other than I got the boo-boo. The reason I had to wait so long was because this here, they replaced the rack. They don't just replace the motor. But it's all looking good and nice and clean.